Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2023 Volvo VNL760s. This truck is equipped with the D13 and the Volvo Ishift 12-speed transmission. This truck does have an idle smart APU. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. This truck does also still have remaining factory warranty. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com. If there's anything in any of our 10 locations you're interested in, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.